How to find Add Yours on Instagram. First is to launch the Instagram application. So you can tap the plus sign at the bottom of the screen or swipe right to open the camera. Now at the bottom of the screen, you will see several options. So you can tap Reel or Story depending on what type of content you want to create. So you can select the photo or video that you want to share by tapping on the icon which is found on the lower left corner of your screen, or you can use your camera to create something new. So for this, I will be using a photo that is found in my gallery. Then tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen and select Add Yours. So if this feature is not visible, you can try using the search bar to search for it. Now write a custom prompt for others to respond to with their own stories or reels. But if you need an inspiration, you can just tap the dice icon for suggestions. So you can resize the prompt and place it anywhere on your story. Now once you're done customizing, you can now tap your story to post this on your account. And so that is how you find Add Yours on Instagram. Thank you and have a great day.